J Kartel there and barely I get pussy in a dog. Or that road I fuck you whole like girl and when just I imagine for fuck right.
Your girl want fuck me, your girl want suck me. Your mother love me, your grandmother love me.
Girl when you hungry, can imagine if you fuck Monday you bang it ferry. Suck your mother.
Fuck couple girls and that you want hype bout. You fuck Fabariz and in the White House.
Fuck a hell line with the blood kid, man. Get a pussy out of family. Get the one you can tell us.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. A few days ago, me review one of Vybz Kartel top banger from 2019 named Scorch Earth. And in the review, me I try to explain to you say when Vybz Kartel go to work, him go to work. And even if him no call a man name, that no mean say them no get a conk. Not only that, when them man they decide to use wordplay and decide to use all of what him learn in a English language and literature and touch upon him part of speech and them little thing there, you cannot just look upon the literal meaning of him songs. You have to also look upon the figurative meaning, because most artists, when them do a song, them say black and them say white, and that's just what it mean. In a Vybz Kartel song them, white not just mean white and black not just mean black. And the song when released yesterday was titled White Horse. Him go direct and call out Bounty Killer name and Beanie Man name. But because of that, everybody look over people like Alkaline and Intence. But guess what? Them man they never escape the wrath of what Vybz Kartel did and say in another song there, which is why we are going to go deeper into the song and even put some figurative meaning to some of the things and when say and pick out the point them which part Alkaline get him conk and Intence get him conk based on the intro and some of the clippings and when we play some of the video clippings. We're supposed to pick up already wagwan and pick up the points them which part man like Intence and them man they get them conk. But before we get into the details, may I ask you for one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you are not new, leave a like and leave a comment. We'll get straight into it. This voice, many people recognize that voice here in the intro, but them not really pick up or remember who exactly this person is. This person is a dancer we name Daima, and from time to time, Vybz Kartel always highlight Daima, whether just on Instagram or in a song or whatever the case may be. Both of them have a very good understanding, and we can see that going from the moment Vybz Kartel bust, from the moment Daima bust until now. If you don't forget who Daima is, check out that little clip here.
Daima, we need a vagina.
So Daima are one of the great in the industry. And remember, dancehall is not just about the artists them. It is also about the selectors, the dancers, and everybody will have a role to play in the industry. But guess what? We're not going to spend much time on this. Listen to Vybz Kartel kick it off.
Your girl want fuck me, your girl want suck me. Your mother love me, your grandmother love me.
Your entire ancestor, your entire generation, your entire family tree, from your sister go straight down to your great grandmother. Once them a female, them want run in pan the Gaza boss. At that Vybz Kartel I tell you this so.
Make them pretty gonna make the crime scene ugly. I the fuck me, love the fuck me.
Yo, that girl they pretty in a youth, but Jano, her attitude ugly. Enough time we as youth say them things there. And at that Vybz Kartel I tell you right there, so the machine them when have them pretty like gold, them pretty like Lisa Anna. But guess what? Them do the opposite when him clap them, cause guess what? The crime scene ugly. And him just hype and bossy with it and him love the foolishness. The man have your sister, your grandmother love him off, your daughter, everybody. And him just hype with it. Him not go see you watching them, I'm just easy myself cause them a go pre me and them all see you me hype and a go on like me a girl is. No, I know that Vybz Kartel I say and I know that Vybz Kartel I do. Him a hype and him a bossy with it.
When me lay down, nobody above me. Real one done signed by Bulby.
Who is Bulby? You know what? We're not going to get into that. Once you hear him say one done, you must have the slightest idea of who Bulby was. But pre this, the man is so far ahead of everybody, so far above this game when he dancehall, to the point where even if him lay down, not even him closest rival, not the above him. That's how far the man a tell us him there in front of everybody in a this thing when him dancehall.
Big white boy, me did a feel rich, wouldn't hungry. Crocodile, look if you sip upon the money. Why?
Enough man out there right now, well rich, not even say well rich, but then get a bag of money and just because them now no sense, then dunks in a no time, then gone back to square one and then broke. Vybz Kartel and make you know say, because of how bright him be, him did half rich because him use him senses. So I want him forward from a one bedroom with 6 of them asleep on one bed. Just because of how intelligent he is, him have to make it in a life. And not just make it, but him did have to reach. From paper, Vybz Kartel is not the brightest in the industry, where accomplishments are concerned when it comes on to the high school level and probably the university level and them thing there. But the way how him use him words them, the way how him put together him phrase, may I tell you, it is out of this world. Nobody not they close to him. Yes, in a Mr. Universe, Skilly bang forward with some of them and a lot of people don't understand it. Alkaline, from time to time, in we use some of them. But when you look on the use of these type of things, song after song after song after song, nobody does it better than Vybz Kartel. And every song where Vybz Kartel release, there is a teachable moment in it. That's why him named the teacher. No matter how simple him rhymes may sound, the man said you go look back on your money, and every single money in a Jamaica, once you look on it, there is something when you have the coat of arm, and pan the coat of arm, you have a crocodile, and that the man a tell us, yo, you not see him, yo, go and go look on your money, brother.
White out, so me tattoo them look right, yo. Me a gal, me and me dogs and the bike, so.
Bleaching is a very common practice in the black culture, and many people do it for many different reasons. But from the moment Vybz Kartel buy the first cake soap down a town, before him even rub it on him face, he make sure tell the world say, this is to highlight or bring out the coloring book more, cause you don't know, me have an whole heap of tattoo them, and my skin kinda dark, and want them for sure more.
Always at from a bus still right now. If I act ironically, can be I so fuck up.
Irony pantapa, irony pantapa, irony. From the song start until now, the man just a dish out irony like free food at party. And many people not even pick it up. In fact, many people not even understand what irony is. That's the reason why Vybz Kartel forward in a this line and I make you know say, yo, he might use irony. And irony, in its simplest form, is basically saying something and mean the exact opposite. Just like this line where him use from him boss until now him hot, and it is so ironic because him ice out. So just imagine your ice out in a ice water, even though him mean him chains and him rings and them thing there, but me just put a more literal meaning to it. Imagine them put it in a ice bath, and we all know ice bath pack with water, pack with ice, but yet you are still hot. Yo, this brother, no normal.
Couple girls that you want hype about. You fuck from a reason in the White House.
So Intence and Alkaline think them did get way because them probably never listened to this song, and most of the vloggers with the report or do a review on this song, them never point out this. But guess what? Me, I go point it out. And I remember when I say, yo, the man nah get nothing and I call him and the farmer, and the man they a jail him nah get nothing and girl where him just a dream say him coulda even see a uno of them girl they a knock. Well, this line of the uno. So the little one girl we wanna have, we wanna probably go the extra mile to get when you just turn 22. And that you know I about Vybz Kartel and make you know say, yo, from basic school days, in my guess what? Ronald Reagan went into power as the president of United States 1981 to 1989, and Vybz Kartel by 1976. So do the maths on yourself. Me I try to do it and it just nah add up, cause me can't believe say from them time there, them man they a burn up road, and that's why I must say, yo, watch I know from Ronald Reagan in the White House. Me don't know everything, so me definitely have to run to Google to check out from what time or between what time to what time Ronald Reagan was the president of United States, just to put a little bit more context to what Vybz Kartel was trying to say here.
Deaf girl hear me, the blind girl see me. Me too powerful, government treat me. Whisper.
Him say something in another line here, and the next line will follow this. And me no know if I me alone pick it up, but me I go point it out. Deaf girl hear him, blind girl see him. We not even go look on that. But listen the tone of voice where him use when him say the way how him powerful, even the government approve him. You notice him going a little whisper tone, and this is the first throughout the entire song him go down in that tone there.
Whispered for me, but I'm me a fuck genie. Rain like pumpkin, like
See it? Him do it again. Him use the high pitch tone to see him and a genie, and him real like Bunty, but then him go back down in the little whispering tone to say him not lie like Beanie. Yo, you see this art when name music, to be more precise, dancehall music, Vybz Kartel master it. Him perfect the art of dancehall music. This is not me picking any side, but me giving credit where credit is due. And just by him going down in a fine tone when him a diss the government, and also a fine tone when him a diss being a man, him not just do it so. Him have him reasons. And me a tell you no, yo, this man great beyond great when it come on to dancehall music. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of this review, and if you don't like it, just please click the like button. And also, if you are not yet a subscriber, please do not hesitate. Click the subscription button and also click the notification bell. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about this song. Bless up.